Peyton, what do you want to be when you grow up?
A pilot of an airplane.
Why?
Because I want to press the red button to stop.
And why else?
Well, he also might want to be an engineer because he loves trains. Because I like to be as an engineer and connect and drive the train and press the red button to stop.
I thought you wanted to look at the people too.
I want to look at the people. He also loves buttons.
What are you doing over there, Leah?
My name's Leah, and when I grow up, I want to be a dancer and or a famous TV star, but I just don't know which one to do. I might do both, and I just really love to dance. I also love to do art. I also might be an artist, and I go to Wall Grove Elementary School.